In this video, I'm going to teach you how to add CSS to the head section of an email template in HubSpot. To do that, first head over here to your marketing and then head over right here into your email. From in there, you can see all of the emails that you have available, so you have the option to create a new one or edit it. On this case, let's head over and then edit an email. You can do so by clicking onto your drafts or on your scheduled if you have it ready. On my case, I have right here this email. Let's proceed to click on this. Now, once you have this, it will open the email builder of your HubSpot. Now, into this case, you just need to head over and click onto the More tab. So let's head over to our actual modules and head over to the Setup. You can see the internal name and organize it according to this. You can also add new properties and the likes. So on this case, let's head over and then you can go over to the head section and then just paste your CSS from here by creating a property right there, or also adding email contents or adding some more modules available onto this case. So that's all there is today, and if you haven't subscribed to HubSpot yet, make sure to use your affiliate links given in the video description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.